Hello everyone, this is Sheshe. Today I am coming on to share with you this kit that I picked up from Ruby's store. It's the Heartfelt Creations Card Kit. I will be doing like a series on these card kits. I just have two that I was curious about. This one is Singing in the Rain, and I just want to share with you what's inside these kits. You can make 3 cards just like on the Heartfelt Creations gallery. What I love about Heartfelt Creations, I watch all their videos. She shares a lot of beautiful cards in her videos when she releases a collection. So I've always wondered how to make those cards. I do try to duplicate them sometimes, but I now own some of their paper pads, and when you go through the papers, they're just so beautiful, and it can be a little intimidating because some of the things they will cut from the paper pad, and some things come from different paper collections. So, and then they also use like stamps from other collections that you may not even own to create those beautiful cards, or dies, or whatever. So I came on to do this video so you can see what is in these kits. So I'll just stop rambling on so you can just see what's in the kit. So you can make 3 beautiful cards, as I said, and then it also says on the package, it includes the pieces you need to create 3 cards, step-by-step instructions, and then extra paper pieces. So these pieces I will share also with you. That's great because you could probably create even more cards with the extra pieces. Or if you mess up, you can also create some cards with the pieces if you mess up, because everything coordinates together beautifully. So I'll share with you what is the extra pieces. So you have this piece, just some beautiful scenery pieces. We have this one, and I do own this collection. It's just that I don't have some of the pieces to create those beautiful cards from the collection. So here's some rain boots like this, and I just don't have the skill set to make some of those beautiful cards. I mean, I do have some skills, but sometimes those cards are just absolutely stunning. It just blows me away what they create. So what I'm going to do is make the cards with their step-by-step instructions. I'm going to read the instructions. I'll do this as a series on my channel. I believe I can do this. I have the confidence to make this card, this one, and this one. It looks really easy. I don't feel intimidated anymore after I see now that everything is done for me. The pieces are already cut out. Everything is pre-cut for you. So here's the card for this one. I'll open this one up so you can just see just how easy it is. All you have to do is just color the pieces and glue everything together. Very, very simple. But I tell you, when you see what they do, it's just like, what in the world? Just stunning. Okay, you just color these pieces, and everything is very high quality. This is glued for you, it looks like. Or maybe it's not. No, I haven't used her yet. So this one is die cut, and it looks like you can cut her apart and pop her up if you want. But you can color her in whatever outfit you want. These are not colored for you. But here is the birds. I'm still not sure if all this comes with the Singing in the Rain collection. I'll have to look at my collection. I'm not familiar if this bird is in the collection. I know I don't own this, so this is an extra piece. So that's what makes this good, to have some of the extra pieces from other die collections to create those beautiful cards. So this goes with the window. So there's some vellum pieces to go behind the window to give it that color, you know, for the window. And then I don't own the window, so that would be nice to cut out the window. This also comes from the paper pad because this is a part of the paper collection. So the die would fit right on the window where you can cut it out. So I might get that window. It looks really pretty. So you can recreate that. And then here is another layering piece for the window that die cut into to create the window. And then here's the card that they already cut for you. And then here is another piece to help you layer it up. So that's all that comes in this collection. And I'll just put this back in. This is just a preview of what's in the card kits to help you recreate the card. I believe this may go on the inside of the card. So really, really pretty. I love that. So you can leave it off, or you can save it for another card if you like. But that is what's in this first set. Okay, then this one has some glitter for you to accent your card in this kit. So I'll open this one up so you can see what these kits are about. Everything is cut out for you so there's no mistakes. I believe this also comes from a different collection because I don't remember seeing some fences or this right here in the collection. There may be a swing, I can't remember. And then the aperture is cut out for you so you can have a top folding note card. And then this is already cut for you to layer onto this. Really pretty. Then you have some more layering pieces to go on this. And then this one came out, so I'll have to really look at that to see how this card is made. But this, I don't believe, is a part of the collection. There is no tree, but she is a part of the collection. And I know this is not a part of the collection, this little swing. So I did order the fairy, I think it's the Wildwood Cottage. So I don't know if this is a part of that collection or not, but I saw that these are little fairies and I thought I need the other collection. So I hope to be getting that one soon. But that's what's in the card for this little girl sitting on the swing. So I'll put that one back in. So this is really cute. And all you do is add color to the stamps and die cuts. So I'm just trying to keep all the pieces together for when I make the cards. Okay. So then this is one that I really love. This is what I was excited about when I did get the whole collection. I wanted to make this card with the boots, just like she showed in the video. So I wanted to make a lot of boot cards, the little rain boots. So cute. So you cut a little slit in the boot, and then I loved all these little pieces right here. To layer onto this card. And then you get this piece, and then you get this piece if you want to layer onto your boots, and you just pop the boots up on this, which is really pretty. And then the Thinking of You is already on that piece. So yes, I really love that card. So this one will probably be the first one that I do in the series. So yeah, it's really fun. And then again, there's detailed instructions on how to do card 1, card 2, and card 3. So I just wanted to come on and do this video in case you were curious how to use the kits from Heartfelt Creations. So I'm going to go and I'm going to make some videos for you guys so you can see how to put these cards together. If you're interested on where I got this kit from, I'll link it in the description box below, along with any other kits that you might want to check out and try. But you know, this is great if you don't feel like buying all the dies, because it can be a little pricey. You still get the fun in creating the cards and have access to the paper collection as well as the dies and stamps without buying all the expensive items in the collection. Okay, so take care everyone and have a fabulous day.